Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In my last video we have created a border radius generator, uh, and we haven't styled it. We have left all the styling for other work, other video or any other time. But I have worked on it. I have done some bit of styling in this, and in this video we will add a theme switcher. Theme switcher is basically from light mode to dark mode, and I'll just walk you through what all changes I have made in the styling. So I've created a new branch, and that branch named is CSS. Sorry, currently I'm on. I think I've changed. I'll just check the branch name. Yeah. So we have this CSS layout. This is the branch which I've created for this styling, and in the code. The first thing is I have changed the font. It was enter, which comes with default when we create a Next.js project. So it has enter font used. So I've changed it to Poppins, and I think I also have to fix the imports here. So let's do that in this video. Yeah. So we have this ready. Okay, so font is changed, Poppins is changed. I've added a dark mode for now, but we will add a switcher for this as well. And then again, I have added updated a layout a bit here. So why my minimum height of the screen would be of the screen size, like of whatever the screen has, it will be the minimum height for the main tag. And normally it will have a slight gray kind of background for light mode, and for dark mode it will have the gray of 800, and then I have a padding from top only. And then all my items, all the page content will be displayed inside a container, so that it will have margins from both sides. So this is on the layout side. Let's go to header. So on header I have added a background. This came by default from Shadcn, so this class I have used, and this works for both. Like for light mode it will be light, and for dark mode it will be black. And then if I've added a shadow, I think, yeah, shadow. And then this I just added a flex container. This is for I don't have any logo and I don't intend to create one, so I have used my name of the repository as a name, as a logo. So I've created this as CUG, which is CSS utility generator, and then this will be small text. So if you see, I think I can do this. Yeah, this will now be better. So here CUG is the main name, and then we have this full form of CSS utility generator. Also have updated the name in GitHub. So if I show here, so I have updated the repository name. So we, in last video, in the previous video, we have I've named it as CSS utilities, but in this, like, the project which we are creating is not a utilities, right? It is for generating the utilities. So that is why I have renamed it as CSS utility generator. And yeah, this is it. Also have added updated the border radius thing which is inside this page. So this, all the containers, all the elements which we will add, all the products which we will add, so it will come up as here. So we'll have a card. So we'll also have an icons for wherever we could add. We will add icons. So the name of the tool, and then a bit of description, and then again this this whole card is actually clickable. So if I click on it, it will come up here. Here I have changed this height and width. I have made it 300. Also I've made it a bit responsive, so this will work good on mobile devices as well. So if I go on smaller screens, see, every screen will work perfectly, so we don't have to worry about that as well. So yeah, so this is it. This is the update till now. And now we will add a theme switcher, which will be a switcher for light mode and dark mode. So that is what we want to build now. And this input, actually this input is basically, it doesn't have any action for now because we only have one tool. But in future, when we add other tools, we'll add a proper search over here. So for input, I have used for input I have used Shadcn input and have given this class name of, if it is darker, then it will be like the same with the body background, and not, and then it will be normal white. It will be similar. Okay. So now if I'll just show you a light mode option. I just remove it. So this is the light mode version of the application. So this is it. Now let's go ahead and add a theme switcher, which is in Shadcn. So let's go there. I'll close this and go there, and I think dark mode. Yes, inside this we can get the documentation, like how we can add those theme switchers. So before that, we have to install this library. So this is for next themes. So let's add that. So this will add theme provider, and we will use that theme provider for changing and taking care of the theme changes and managing it in the state. So that will take care of all those things. Okay, so it got installed. Let's go to that page. Okay, so now we have to create a theme provider, so which we will be just copying it from here, and we'll create a theme provider. So let's go to code, and in components, let's create it in shared. Theme provider, and inside this we need to create a file. I'll name it as index.tsx because I have already named it as. Okay, so this gives us error of TypeScript. Let's see why. So here, if we see, we have just copied it, right? Okay. Okay. No problem. We can just take this, and I'll maybe for now I think I'll just ignore this because we have got this from the documentation, and we'll just use that, and let's see how it works. So now we have to wrap our body inside this theme provider. Okay, so everything in the body will be we will be wrapping inside this. So let's take this and go to our layout, and we have this here. Okay, let's take this inside and import the component. Perfect. Okay, so we have it here. Nice. So let's see what all change we want. Okay, now we can add our toggler, right? So for that we can use theme function, and we can add that changes. So let's do one thing. I will not use drop down. I don't need drop down because they are using drop down because they have 3 modes, but we don't want to use that. Rather, we will use a normal button, and we will switch to that. We will add that button with that. Maybe we can do this. So dark mode and then this. Okay, so let's add a single button, and we will handle it with that. Let's go to our header. Inside our header, I will add that but on, yeah, after input I think we are good. So I'll add a button, and this button variant will be ghost. Okay, now I need to add an icon. So let's go to Lucid React, and we'll take icons. Yeah, so this is for dark. uh, let's take icon from this only, because this icon is good. I'll take it from here. Moon icon, sun icon, perfect. So I think we have this Radix UI React icons. I'll just see if we have that, because we have Lucid React, which is for icons. Okay, we don't have that. Don't worry, we'll use Lucid React. I don't want to add another library for this. So okay, this is sun, moon, this is moon, and for sun, what all we have it like this, right? Okay, so no issues. And then okay, sun and then moon. Yeah, we'll use this. We will use this. Let's add moon first. We also had a moon icon, right? Let's use this and see what happens. Let's go to this. Okay, we have this. Okay, icon is same actually, so I'll just use it as is. Yeah, okay, so I have that. Now let's add a hook. I think they have this hook of use theme, so let's use this. I'll use this. Can I get themes also from there? So if the theme is already selected, it should be there, right? So let's do that as well. Let's first add that, and now I have to wrap it inside a parenthesis and return this, so that I can use other functions, other functionalities. So yeah, so now I can do this like this. Next themes. Okay, let's fix the imports. Now I will have to also make it as a client component. Make it client component. Perfect. And what all I can get? I can get theme, and let's see. I have that theme. So let's see. Let's inspect and add a check the console. This is currently it is system. Okay, so when we add something, it will be updated. So my system theme is actually dark, so I'll not use that. Rather take it where it is. Not this, not this. Okay, here it takes as I think I can remove this from here. Yeah, this came up as light. Perfect. Actually, this is not, icon is not coming because I have added a CSS for header. Like all these inputs should not be displayed when we are on smaller screen. So I'll remove this, and maybe I'll add it for input only for now, so that we can see this button. Yeah, we have this button. Now let's add a system. Okay, first check here. So we have this as light. Perfect. So why I need this? If we have, we can add the icons accordingly. So if it is light mode, we will add add an icon accordingly. So that is why I have added that. Also, let's add a function handle theme change. So now what we will do is theme. set theme. If theme equals to light, then it should go to dark, otherwise it should go to light. That's it. I don't have to worry about I mean, we don't have to do anything more. Just add that. Yes, perfect. So now let's see. Nice, right? This is working perfectly. So now let's do, okay, a slight change in that. Okay, this is because the MD block. This is because of the MD block. But I could obviously add a flex for that. It came up. So okay, so this is also perfect. Toggling is working. Nice. We need to add a change detection of icons, so we can, you know, update the icons accordingly. So if theme is light, then display moon, otherwise display sun. Yes. Okay, I think this is cool. This is cool. We have this effect, and this is nicely done. If I go here, I change this. Perfect. This is working really nice. I am happy with this. So yeah, this was the agenda of this video. So I wanted to show you how how to add a theme switcher for Shadcn in Next.js. So this is what we have achieved. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do share it with your colleagues and friends, and also comment your thought on the video, and please subscribe to the channel and help me grow this channel. Thank you.